If your Lucidchart add-on is throwing an error, freezing, or simply refusing to load in Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest ways to fix the Lucidchart add-on error step by step so you can get back to working without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes and productivity tips. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you should try is clearing your browser cache and cookies. A lot of add-on issues happen because old temporary files get corrupted or conflict with the current version of the extension. If you're using Chrome, open your Google document, spreadsheet, or presentation, then press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. That opens the clear browsing data window. From there, make sure you select cached images and files and cookies and other site data. Then click Clear Data and let the browser finish the process. Once that's done, reload your document and try opening the Lucidchart add-on again. In many cases, this alone fixes the error immediately. If you want an even cleaner test, try opening the same file in an incognito window. Incognito Mode can bypass certain extensions, stored cookies, and cached memory that may be causing the problem. If Lucidchart works there, that's a strong sign the issue is related to your browser data or another extension. If clearing the cache does not solve it, the next step is to reinstall the add-on. This is one of the most effective ways to fix permission issues, broken installs, or add-on files that did not set up correctly. Open your Google Doc, Sheet, or Slide, then go to the top menu and click Extensions, then Add-ons, and then Get Add-ons. This takes you to the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the Marketplace, search for Lucidchart. When you find the add-on, open it and look for the uninstall option first. If you're using a school or work account, this button may be disabled if your administrator installed it centrally, so keep that in mind. If uninstall is available, remove it completely. Then refresh the page, go back to the extensions menu, find Lucidchart again, and click Install. When prompted, grant the required permissions so the add-on can connect properly to your Google file. After reinstalling, test it again. Open the add-on and see if the error is gone. If the issue still shows up, the problem may be tied to the connection between Lucidchart and your Google account. That means the next thing to try is disconnecting and reconnecting your account. To do that, go directly to the Lucid software website and sign in with the same account you use for the add-on. Once you're logged in, open your account settings and look for integrations. Make sure the Google integration is active and properly connected. If it looks stuck, disconnected, or outdated, reconnect it or reauthorize the login. Authentication token problems are very common, and refreshing that connection can fix the add-on error fast. If you're still having issues after that, double check that you're signed into the correct Google account in your browser. Sometimes the Lucidchart add-on is installed on one account, but the document is open under another. That mismatch can cause permission errors, blank panels, or loading failures. Also make sure your browser is fully updated because older browser versions can interfere with add-on behavior. At this point, one of these steps should have fixed the problem: clearing cache and cookies, reinstalling the add-on, or reconnecting the Lucid integration. If the add-on is now working, great, you're all set. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and easy tech fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.